Meaning of disconcerting.
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 Disconcerting. The word disconcerting refers to something that causes a feeling of confusion, uneasiness, or discomfort. It describes a situation or experience that is unexpected or disruptive, which can leave a person feeling unsettled or uncertain about what to do. This feeling can arise from a variety of circumstances, such as a sudden change in plans, an unsettling piece of news, or encountering a strange or unfamiliar environment. Overall, the result of something disconcerting can be a sense of unease or discomfort that can linger even after the situation has passed.